Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today I've got the Delonghi Stilosa espresso machine, and I have no experience in coffee making. I just know how to make tea. So, today we are going to do two things. First is unbox this coffee machine, which I just received it today, and let's see how a guy with no coffee making experience makes his first latte. So I'm just gonna try out this machine and make my first latte.
Looks like this is a manual. Whoops. Alright, here's the moment of the truth. Okay, this is how it looks.
This is the tamper. This is the tamper. Okay. So one classic hazelnut syrup. So we are making today a hazelnut latte. Let's roll. So my dumb bastard didn't see that these are the coffee beans, and I don't have a grinder, but luckily I have a Nescafe instant coffee. So I just put in a random amount of quantity, and now let's pull the espresso shot. I know. I need to clean my platform kitchen. Yes, I'll do it later. Okay, here goes our cup. Let's see, you learn, and you should put this filter first. So, okay, so insert it at 8 and turn it at 6. I think it's done, but let me confirm. Okay, here we go. What I saw online in the tutorial is that you get this on and we wait for the green light here, and then we turn to this side, which will pull the espresso shot. I don't know about the steam bond, but I'll again watch the tutorial and get back to you. Yeah, the first step is to get some water out, empty the water tank and fill the fresh water again, and then we'll pull the espresso shot. So yeah, just make sure don't fill out the entire water tank. Cool. Okay, let's do it again. Let's put the coffee and the filter. I think we need some more coffee. Yeah. Okay. Whoops. Looks good. Okay. Now start from 8 o'clock and pull it till 6 o'clock, anti-clockwise. I need to put this. Okay, place the cup down. This is already hot, so it's ready. Jai Bajrang Bali. choice this time. So, oh yes, victory. That looks pretty awesome. Okay, now it's getting watery, so let's get our espresso out. All right. Oh man, is a barista already. This looks good. I don't know if any barista here they know. Please comment it down if it's good or I need to improve. All right, now let's steam the milk. Okay, so I also got one pitcher from Amazon. This is probably 20 ounce, yeah, 20 ounce 600 ml pitcher. Now I'll use this machine to steam the milk, and I don't know anything about the latte art, but still I'm going to try to make some kind of shape. All right.
This is 180. Let's put 200 ml. Okay, looks good. Now let's steam it. I don't know if I'm doing it right now, but okay, got it. Let's wipe the wand.
I think I need to steam it a little more. I think now it's pretty hot. I think it looks good now. All right, let's make a latte art now. So first, let's fill up. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now let's try to make the art. Wow, what an art. This is just a latte, no art. But yeah. Let me try my first latte, hazelnut latte, and see how it tastes. Not good, but I'll get there. So it's kind of okay. There's I don't know the exact amount of milk that I should take, and about the espresso, I didn't measure the quantity. So first thing we need to do is measure the quantity. It's around 18 grams, and then we pull the espresso shot, and we need to make sure that at a standoff at the right time, or else it will also pull a lot of water and the espresso will become watery. And then we also need to make sure about the amount of milk that we take for different sizes of coffee. uh, cups, 12 ounce, 16 ounce, and also the right amount of syrup that we need to take. I just randomly took everything. Still, it tastes fine. It's not like very bad, but it's like 5 out of 10. So I think, yeah, just measuring this quantities will give us a perfect coffee. So this is my day one of making latte. Tomorrow I'll upload one more video, day two of making latte. Hopefully I'll measure the quantities tomorrow and see how it goes. And I'll also learn some latte art online, and then we'll see. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see experiments like this, subscribe, like, and if you have any tips or advice, please do share it in the comments. Thank you. Doable.